For over 100 years, every engine needed this. The entire automotive industry depended on one mechanical idea. The entire automotive industry depended on one mechanical idea. Every major manufacturer accepted this design as permanent. Then, a tiny Swedish company asked one impossible question. What if we removed the camshaft completely? They actually built one. Behind the world's fastest Swedish hypercars. The company built its future inside an old Air Force base.
One young engineer dreamed of building the greatest sports car.
That sketch became reality. Years of testing, failures, endless prototypes. Even devastating setbacks couldn't stop them. They engineered almost everything themselves.
Here's what a camshaft actually does.
It opens every valve in a fixed mechanical rhythm. Perfect for one situation, wrong for another. Engineers spent decades trying to improve it. Koenigsegg removed the decision maker. Every valve now thinks for itself. The engine is no longer mechanical. It becomes intelligent. Instead of one camshaft controlling everything, every valve gets its own actuator. Every valve can make its own decision. The computer decides everything in real time. Old engines stay fixed. This one changes instantly. It behaves like two completely different engines. It can instantly shut down cylinders to save fuel. And bring them back the moment you ask for power. It can even adapt to different fuels. Entire mechanical systems simply disappear. The engine becomes smaller.
Yet produces astonishing performance.
It burns fuel more efficiently. Cleaner combustion means lower emissions. This wasn't just theory.
They installed it into a real road-going hypercar.
It actually works.
For over a century, everyone followed the same rule. But one tiny company ignored the rule. And that's when everything changed. We assume the biggest companies build the biggest ideas.
But this breakthrough came from a company with only a few hundred people.
Sometimes smaller teams think bigger.
They replaced it entirely.
For over a century, nobody questioned the camshaft. So why didn't anyone else do it first?
Because changing everything would cost billions. The world's largest factories were built around camshafts.
Entire supply chains depended on this one design. They weren't unable to build it. They were afraid to replace what already worked. Too much money. Too much infrastructure.
Koenigsegg had something the giants didn't.
They simply started over. They questioned assumptions everyone else accepted. And that changed everything.
This wasn't a laboratory experiment.
It powered up a real production car.
And suddenly, the impossible became reality. Everything started from an old Swedish Air Force base. But inside these buildings, impossible ideas became reality.
Engineers, not marketers, led every decision.
Every assumption was challenged. Then they questioned another automotive rule.
They removed the traditional gearbox entirely.
No gear changes, just uninterrupted acceleration.
One endless wave of acceleration. Then they chased mathematical perfection. 1 horsepower for every kilogram. It became the world's first megacar.
Then came the record attempt.
Flat out on a public road. Flat out on a public road.
A verified world record.
Not on a racetrack. on an ordinary highway. The founder simply watched it happen. Every breakthrough followed the same philosophy. Question assumptions before improving them.
Freedom became their greatest engineering tool.
Sometimes the future belongs to the smallest team, willing to think differently.
This technology isn't the end of combustion engines.
It may be what keeps them alive. Future fuels demand smarter engines. And camless control makes that possible. A century of engine design is beginning to change. Eventually, even the biggest manufacturers may have to follow.
Not because they want to.
Because physics rewards better ideas. Every breakthrough came from the same mindset.
What if everyone else is wrong?
"100 years of engineering, rewritten." And the future begins moving.
Not by following tradition.
But by challenging it. From one small town in Sweden,
Came ideas that changed automotive history.
and this is only the beginning. The future has already arrived. So what impossible machine should we explore next?
Subscribe for more engineering stories that change how you see the world's greatest cars. I'll see you in the next one.